Yummy. Nice.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel! Kami ang Greek Filipino family. So for today's video is magluluto ako ng ginataang kalabasa. So, magluluto ako ng healthy food kasi lagi kami last week is nagkarne kami tapos kumain kami ng maraming sweets dahil nga birthday ni Philia. So, this Sunday is ang lulutuin ko ay masustansyang pagkain ang ginataang kalabasa at adobong talong. So, hope you like this video and enjoy watching!
Alas 8 ng umaga, nag-exercise kami ng mga anak ko, si Philia, si Cassie, at saka si Jackie, at saka ako. Tapos, para para exercise, so naglakad-lakad kami. At didiretso na din kami sa maliit na supermarket dito para bumili ng ice cream at saka yung ibang ingredients sa aking pagluluto mamaya sa aming hapunan. Ang bilis maglakad ni Philia. Nagmamadali yata siya.
Yung kalabasa, nahiwa ko na ano to siya, 3 kalabasa. Ang daming binili ng asawa ko ng kalabasa. Tapos ayan, lalagyan ko ng cauliflower para mas espesyal ang ginataang kalabasa namin ngayon. Yan yung coconut milk, yung gata na gagamitin ko. So, galing tong Thailand. Coconut milk made from Thailand. Ayan, 70% coconut. Ayan na yung talong. Ganito yung mga talong dito, malalaki. Ayan, oh. Tapos yung mga mahabang talong naman na gaya sa Pilipinas, matatagpuan lang yan minsan sa Asian store. Tapos, nung pumunta ako sa Thailand store, wala sila nung mahabang talong. Kaya bumili na ako sa supermarket. At ito yung mga talong dito. Yung mga malalaki. Ayan. Ayan na yung ginataang kalabasa na may broccoli, na may cauliflower. Ayan. Ayan yung kanin, hindi pa luto. At ang adobong talong. So, ayan. Dinner is ready na. Jackie! I want this! Where's your pumpkin?
More? Yummy. You want more? You some more? Some pumpkin? Yeah. Yummy. Nice.
And tissue. Ask Papa. Be careful with your hair. It's gonna go to your food. Hey, Papa, can I have tissue, please? Hey.
Yeah.
Jackie!
Not tissue.
Say thank you, Papa.
No.
Now you naughty you are.
No, they choose.
Why are you grumpy today?
Come on, show the phone.
Hello, Miss Grumpy.
Don't record me.
Mali.
It's gonna put you on the Facebook now.
Mommy, I have an idea. Mommy,
Ah.
post everything of Jackie on YouTube Shorts.
Uh-huh.
How do you need this, Virgin? It's very good for you.
That's a famous food you promised me.
It's not famous, Jackie. Nobody
Good.
eats the bones.
Well,
I don't want the bones, Jackie.
Stop it, Jackie. Jackie, stop it.
Jackie, you cannot eat the bones.
We eat. When did we shower? We eat.
I baked rice bowl.
That's not a rice bowl, you're disgusting. That's your smack. Be quiet.
The creamy soup with rice.
Did you eat all your pumpkin? Already?
No, there's a lot left.
Ah, daming langaw. May isang langaw pala. Daming langaw.
Eating with the hands is more easier because you can actually eat all the rice. When you use a spoon, there's like a bit of rice left and you can never scoop it.
Why you don't put the gata there? Creamy soup. Eat it and drink your milk.
Okay.
Don't dip it there.
Okay.
Maraming salamat sa always na panunood at sa always na pagsuporta nyo sa aming mga video at sana patuloy nyo pa rin kaming susuportahan. Say maraming salamat. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye.